Drapes serve as sterile covers during surgeries. They are used as a pad and/or for covering patients. In the picture you see various single-use items. We distinguish between single-use and washable items. Both types, washable and single-use articles, are used in hospitals. Washable surgical drapes are almost always cleaned by professional cleaning companies. Here you see a patient being covered with a sterile cover. Sterile drape should be easy to handle in order to prevent possible contamination when they are placed on the patient. Prerequisites for easy handling are flexibility and good molding capability, as well as proper packing and folding logistics. The surgical team requires clothing that offers the most comfort or ergonomics as well. With regard to long, complicated surgeries, clothes should never be a negative distraction. The surgical team's concentration should not be disturbed during surgery. Prior to surgery, the surgeon dresses himself in a sterile fashion. The surgical coat is put on, followed by the surgical gloves. Painstaking attention is paid to make sure that the surgical coat and gloves don't come in contact with the skin and/or other non-sterile objects. It is only at this point that the sterile instruments should be set out on a sterile pad, thus maintaining the chain of sterility. Now you will see a recording of a surgery. The opening of the mouth was washed 3 times with disinfecting agents. Everything associated with the surgery, the surgeons, the patient, and all other instruments have been sterilely packed with sterile drapes, covers, and coats. Washable surgical drapes are frequently used in medical practices. In the video you see a washable cotton coat, which was wrapped in sterilization paper. In most cases, washable articles are not cleaned or sterilized by certified companies because, frankly, the medical practice wants to save money. Oftentimes, the drapes are only washed, and although they are sometimes run through the practice's own autoclave, the drapes will not be sufficiently sterile because even in the autoclave, they are not properly decontaminated. For this reason, single-use items should always be used in medical practices.